Hi there, I'm Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the Volatility Report. Reminder, this is for education, not for investment advice. Consult your financial professional. Options have risk. Um, all right, well, yeah, another weird one today, huh? So we started off, the Nasdaq the last 2 days has been for sale prior to the open, and then bought on the open, to green, and that's what we saw again today. The S&P kind of behaving the same. It's been down a little bit to up, and today we're kind of seeing similar behavior out of it, where it's moving from flattish to down to up, and that's moving VIX futures around and VIX as a whole. Apple was down over $2. It's down only about $1 now. Amazon's been up and down. Kind of everything has been up and down. All the hot names continue to be up, thrown around. We are seeing some strength out of some of the names that were kind of beaten down the last couple days, but not all of them. Square's up, Nvidia's down. All the semiconductors continue to look just abysmal. SMH is like just a terrible chart. It's now blasted through its 50-day moving average. And so it's in an area where it could sell off decently, you know. Intel, soft. AMAT, Applied Materials, soft. Taiwan Semiconductor, soft. So all of the big semiconductors, that's been one of the real stink bombs. The other one has been the biotechs, which are now below their 200-day moving average. So, post-reverse split, IBB not looking that hot. So that's where all the softness is coming from. Where's the strength? Well, Facebook still looks all right. Like as I said, Amazon seems to have found some footing. It's stopped getting torched, and some of the hotter names like your Squares are still in a position to have a significantly nice year. We allegedly are having quote unquote tax selling, and that's what's kind of driving volatility around. How long will it last? Well, if you look at these vol moves over the last few weeks, they've been relatively short, a few days. So, if you look at this candle, obviously here's the Trump candle, ignoring the Trump rumor. Or if you look at this guy, they've gone on for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The rise has been 5 days, the fall has been 5 days, and you can see we've had a nice rise here. It may take another day for things to kind of flush out, but market down, VIX down 2 days in a row does not typically mean that the market's about to tank. So I think we're at the tail end of whatever we've been dealing with the last couple of days, and things are likely to shake out. It's been a soft week. I'm guessing tomorrow or the following day we could see some really bullish behavior out of the market. I do think that we set up for that. With that, you could see another tanking in the VIX futures. They've been surprisingly strong. The VIX, this is why you take your money when you have a chance, folks, in VIX. I mean, it got as low as 11.15 on multiple occasions. So there was definitely some opportunity to churn in and out of it. So that's kind of what we're seeing here. My gut says that these huge tax sales are going to end, and watch the rut. If the rut goes green, I think the whole market goes green, and that could drive things. Um, Volatility, I think it's going to continue to slowly compress its way lower. That's my gut. I still think we have a decent shot at a 10 handle VIX by Friday. All right, folks, and I mean low 10s. All right, folks, if you have questions, you can email me, marketoptionpit.com, or call me 888-TRADE-01. Have a good one.